Sharpen your English. Cutting tools in the kitchen. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're taking a journey into the kitchen, where we will be exploring a delicious topic: cutting tools. From preparing vegetables to slicing bread, we use these tools almost every day. Let's dive in and expand our vocabulary related to these essential utensils. There are various tools in our kitchen that we use for cutting. Let's start with the most common ones. Knife. This is the most essential cutting tool. There are different types of knives, such as a chef's knife, which is used for many purposes, and a paring knife, which is smaller and used for detailed work. Peeler. A tool used for removing the skin from fruits and vegetables. Grater. Used for shredding food into fine pieces. It's often used with cheese, but also works well with vegetables like carrots and cucumbers. Scissors. Also known as kitchen shears, they're used for snipping herbs, opening food packages, and even cutting meat. Now, let's look at some more specialized cutting tools. You may not use these every day, but they're still handy to know. Mandoline. A tool used for cutting vegetables into uniform slices. Be careful, though, it's very sharp. Meat cleaver. A heavy, broad-bladed knife used to chop through meat and bone. Pizza cutter. A tool with a circular blade, used to slice pizzas. Bread knife. A knife with a serrated edge, designed to cut through bread without squishing it. Last but not least, it's crucial to remember safety when using cutting tools. Always keep your tools sharp. A sharper tool gives you more control and is actually safer to use. Use a cutting board to protect your countertops and provide a secure surface for cutting. Handle your tools with care. Always grip knives securely and keep your fingers away from the blade. When you're not using your cutting tools, make sure they're stored safely where they won't pose a risk. And that's a wrap. We've just explored the fascinating world of cutting tools in the kitchen. I hope this will not only boost your English vocabulary but also inspire you to try out new recipes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these new words in your daily conversations. Until next time, happy learning, and stay safe in the kitchen.